Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we will discuss teaching aptitude PYQ from 2020 to 2025. These questions are very important for UGC NET paper 1. Solving previous year questions help us understand the exam pattern, important topics and improve our confidence. So let's start the first question. In these questions, we have to understand the difference between the teaching, training and instruction. Teaching mainly focuses on developing thinking ability of students. Teaching helps students to think deeply, think creativity, understand concept clearly. Training usually focuses on practice and skills. And instructions focuses on giving directions. But teaching is more about improving critical thinking and creative thinking. So the correct answer is option B, critical and creative thinking. Teaching always encourages a student to ask questions, analyze data and learn with understanding, not just memorize. Now let's see the next question. The question asks, which part of the brain help us learn new information, especially verbal information? Verbal information means information in the form of words, language, facts and concept. The correct answer is option B, hippocampus. Hippocampus is a very important part of the brain. It helps us learn new things and remember information. It is especially important for remembering words, facts and experiences. When we study something new, the hippocampus helps store the information in our memory. So remember, hippocampus helps us in learning memory, especially verbal learning. Therefore, the correct answer is hippocampus. Now let's see the next question. The question asks, after completing graduation, what outcome should students achieve? The correct answer is option A, program, education, objective and program outcomes. Program outcome tell us what a student should know, understand and able to do after finishing the degree. It shows the skill, knowledge and abilities gained during the courses. These outcomes explain whether the student is ready for job, higher studies and real life work. After graduation, students should achieve program, educational objectives and program outcomes. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Now let's see the next question. Now let's understand this question. Here we have two statements about the non-directive model of teaching. In the non-directive model, the teacher does not control students strictly. Instead, the teacher supports students and help them learn in their own way. Statement 1 says that this model helps students grow and learn freely. This is correct because students are encouraged to explore and learn and be independent. Statement 2 says that the teachers work like a facilitator or guide and help students in their development. This is also correct. In this model, the teacher behaves like a helper or counselor, not a controller. So both statements are correct. Final answer is option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Let's see the next question. We have to arrange the events from oldest to latest, first to last. Let us see the correct order by year. C. Alam Ara, 1931. This was the first talking film in India, so it happened first. D. Name changed to All India Radio, 1936. After some year, radio broadcasting got a new name, All India Radio. A. External Service of All India Radio, 1939. After the name change, All India Radio started external services. B. Film Division established, 1948. Film Division was started later to promote films and documentaries. Now let's see this question. The question asks, which option is not included in the 4 C's of successful writing? The 4 C's of good writing are: Number 1, concise. Writing should be short and to the point. Number 2, correct. Writing should not have grammar or spelling mistakes. Number connect is not part of the 4 C's of writing. So the correct answer is connect. Final answer is connect. Everyone, UGC NET and JRF Paper 1 complete PDF are provided. You will get chapter-wise notes and PYQs from 2003 to December 2025. You will also get PYQ with answer and very easy explanation from June 2012 to December 2025. These PDFs will help you understand concept clearly and prepare better for the exam. If you are interested, kindly share your WhatsApp number. My team will connect you and give you full details. So all the best my UGC NET and JRF aspirants.